In this video, how to get voice chat on Roblox. So this is a easy method and easy. So first you go to login Roblox, and after sign in you need to click more option. Yes, click it, and in this setting option is start. Go to setting option, and in this privacy and content restriction is start. Click it. Yes, that one. Click it, and in this privacy and content restriction you have a content. As content humidity, this one, as it should be moderate, and it's auto save, so you can see now it's auto save. There is no problem, no need to save. And go to account info. In this account info you need to check whether your email is verified. It is verified. If it's not verified, you need to verify both phone number and email address. So add click add and verify it. So like this same email, click add and verify it. And after, if the setting privacy and yes, content restriction, go to, and the communication is there, click communication. In this voice data usage is there, we don't need to go voice data, we need to go experience chat. And in this experience chat you need to click on. If it's on off, you need to click on. Once you clicking on, it asking a age checker, so you need to give continue and make sure you will be 13 plus, and it's verified. So after verifying you need to go to Roblox and click Roblox icon and go to settings. In this you can see output device is there. You need to check both output and input device. So output device is there, click it, and set your which default you are using. So if it's the setting is not available, means check your account is set 13 plus on your